I sprinkle I think every now and then of the glorious fruit of the noble hand, eggs, B-double-G-S, eggs. Knowledge of pigs tremendously pride of eating them boiled, of eating them fried, poached and shirred and deviled and scrambled, humbled, smuggled, cuddled and frambled, beating them, swizzled and puzzled, frizzled, cadizzled, bamboozled and fuzzled. I know every way that put an egg can be guzzled and thinking of eggs. Brunch by Sam, favorite dish is green eggs and ham. Green eggs and ham. Green eggs and ham. Eggs, B-double-G-S, eggs, like the eggs in the pan, frizzled and cadizzled and guzzled in the pan, like the eggs, E-double-G-S, eggs, eat them, puzzle, get disobeyed, puzzle, eggs, E-D-B-G-double-G-S, eggs, eggs, B-double-G-S, eggs. My knowledge of eggs is tremendously wide. Of eating them boiled, of eating them poached and shirred and doubled and scrambled, hobbled and bobbled and shittled. I forgot the lyrics there. Beating them, swizzle, frizzle, can disobey, puzzle and puzzle. I know every play that it can be because I'm not thinking of eggs. For brandy of Sam's brave harbor dish, those green eggs and ham. Hope you guys enjoyed.